In today's video, I will be reviewing the Westin Anaheim Resort by Marriott here in Anaheim, California. It is located right next to Disneyland theme park and the Anaheim Convention Center. Before we dive in, one big favor, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. The Westin Anaheim is located just 24-minute walk to Disneyland and 10-minute by car. It is also just a 10-minute walk to the Anaheim Convention Center. And for the parking situation, it is $39 a day and $49 with valet. And if you choose the valet, you get a complimentary EV charging. There are also 24 Tesla chargers available. The Westin Anaheim is a newly built hotel that opened on June 2021. It is very grand and luxurious for a 4-star hotel. When I checked in, the receptionist confirmed my AMEX FHR booking and explained the details to me. And also mentioned we got upgraded to a larger studio room, but it does not have a view. I asked if there were any other rooms with a view of the theme park and she checked. She checked and she said there were rooms available, but it would be a basic room. So I just accepted the upgraded larger studio room. Our room was located on the 7th floor and the highest this hotel goes to is 8th floor.
Where's the room?
Room is on the left, so right there, 7080.
So close. Anybody home?
Welcome to the room tour. We're staying at the Westin Anaheim Resort, and this is the larger Studio 1 king bed with the sofa bed. And we got upgraded thanks to maybe the Elite, but I'm guessing it's because of the FHR program. So this is the upgraded room. First of all, entrance, a nice console table, decorations, and then turning over here is the closet with the minibar. Closet is fairly basic, nothing special. Iron with ironing board, some storage, safe, drawers, your slipper, and the robe. Moving on, this is the minibar. Got some glass, and it looks like you can order some snacks and beverages and alcohol if you want. Nespresso, 2 water bottle, and Nespresso pods, Tazo tea, and some cups. And here is the refrigerator. It's empty, so we have one refrigerator here. And then moving on here, giant barn door to the restroom. And coming in here, you can see one vanity sink, and the robe is right here. Hair dryer, nothing special, just a regular old hair dryer, and a scale down at the bottom. Soaps, they're using White Tea brand. I've never seen this brand, so we'll check it out later. More amenities here is the body lotion, and this is nail filer, shower cap, sanitary bags. Shower room. Here is their shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. White Tea brand again. And here you can see waterfall and a shower head. Pretty spacious, like probably full arm length. Very nice. And right behind you is the most important thing, the toilet. No closing doors. I feel like they should have a closing door here. Anyway, toilet's there. And then moving on to this side, the main attraction, which is the 1 king bed. Spacious bedroom. The view, unfortunately, is just a parking lot. So I'll show you how it looks like in the morning time. Nothing special. You can see the park over there, but you see this fence and the convention center. And if you look at this table here, we have a special anniversary, happy anniversary welcome cake, it looks like. Yeah, so excited to try it out. And here you can see our FHR benefits, so I'll dig into this later in a separate chapter. And right here is the giant TV. I would say about 55-inch, I think. Getting closer to the nightstand, we have a Sleepwell lavender balm, so that's very cool. And there's a control here, modern touch with a wireless charging pad, and some outlets right below here. Overall, it's pretty nice. And right next here is just a sofa bed, so if you want an extra bed, you have one right here. Not too bad. Corner room, away from the elevator, away from most doors, most guest rooms, so we get a nice corner spot, but view not that nice. That's okay. We have a nicer view at the executive lounge, so we will show you the executive lounge next. But yeah, enjoy. I'll see you in the next chapter. The Wi-Fi speed is pretty good, 43 up and down for the speed. And for the AMEX FHR checklist, I will have a separate chapter at the end of the video. And when we checked in, they gave this. I've never seen this before. It says upgraded. Enjoy your elite room upgrade. You've earned it. So I don't know if this is because of FHR or it's a combination of FHR and my platinum status. But it was cool. I kind of like this. So this is the key card for Westin. It says elite here. I'm not sure if it's different if you're not elite or you're not part of the elite member. But just something to call out, I guess. Because I saw at JW Marriott, it was a bit different for non-elite and elite. And here is the club access. So if you're platinum status and above, or you pay for the club room category, you have access to the club. And you can see it's 6:30. It's on the 8th floor, 6:30 to 10 p.m. Breakfast, light snacks, evening hors d'oeuvre. I need to see how to pronounce that. And Westin Espresso. Since we're next to the Disneyland, we get to view the fireworks at 9:30 p.m. and they provide champagnes for 9:30 for the fireworks. Pretty cool. And this is a postcard. Very pretty. I don't think I've seen much of this anymore at any hotel or resort. Kind of cool. They just gave it to us at when we checked in in our room. The Westin Club, which is their lounge, is located on the 8th floor, open daily from 6:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. It is similar to the JW Marriott Anaheim lounge, where you have to walk past a bunch of guest rooms on the 8th floor to get to the lounge. The lounge is a decent size with indoor seating and outdoor seating as well. And the outdoor has a nice view of the Disneyland California Adventures Incredicoaster, as well as the surrounding. The Westin Club has decent options for lounge food at different hours throughout the day. Here are some snippets of the footage we took. If you want more detailed look at the lounge food as well as breakfast buffet and dinner, then check out our food guide video. I will have it linked in the description below and pinned comment. Oh, wow, so bright. It's super bright.
Yeah, shooting star.
The Westin Anaheim Fitness Center is 24 hours and it is equipped with all the machines you need. When you walk in by the entrance, there's a bunch of towels and earphones if you need some, and chilled towels. And as you can see, it's very spacious and very high ceiling as well. There's a variety of cardio machines for you to use. And if you're not a fan of cardios, there's more machines in the back as well. They have a punching bag, leg press machines, dumbbells, barbells, kettlebells, yoga mats, and etc. You can do a full body workout at this gym with plenty of space, even if there are a bunch of people in here. And the gym is located right next to the pool. So on the way out, you will see on the left here, there's a water machine. So you can get some hot water, cold water, as well as sparkling water, if I'm not mistaken. So once you walk out here, the pool is right in front of you, and then this is the Bella's Splash Pool Bar, so you can grab your drinks and chill at the pool. The Westin Anaheim Resort has a lot of food selections for you to choose. You have the Tangerine Room, Rise, Rooftop Lounge, Fleming Steakhouse, Puesto, as well as the Bar 1030, Blossom Cafe, and the Bella Splash Pool Bar. For the breakfast buffet at the Westin Anaheim Resort, you would eat at the Tangerine Room. It is $33 per person if you want to pay, or if you have access for free breakfast, then you would come here and eat. We came to the Tangerine Room for dinner, and this is where we spent our AMEX FHR $100 experience credit. The prices here at the Tangerine Room for dinner was not bad at all. It was actually reasonable, and we really enjoyed the dinner. We got ourselves some Hawaiian tiger prawns as well as the ribeye steak, and both were very delicious. We got medium rare. Yeah, getting late, so it's good. Nice. Thumbs up. Again, if you're interested in checking out the food guide video, we have it linked in the description below as well as the pinned comment. The Rise Rooftop Lounge offers handcrafted cocktails, shareable plates, live music, and a view of Disneyland California Adventure Park. Bar 1030 is Westin Anaheim's lobby bar. It has a nice ambiance and live piano music as well. Great place to meet up and grab some drinks and bites. Puestos is one of the restaurants that are on the Westin Anaheim property, just right in front of the lobby.
We're not sure we're gonna be able to try here, but it looks very nice here.
Oh, the menu is on the left here.
These
Wow,
are the
so bright.
menu
Tacos,
you can order.
snacks and shares, guacamole, ceviche, sides, some tacos, a lot of, ribeye taco,
Oh,
filet mignon taco.
ribeye taco.
They have happy hour, Taco Tuesday and happy hours, and some plates like entrees, enchiladas, salads, desserts. Pretty cool. Fleming Steakhouse is also in the property but in front of the road.
So this is the Fleming's.
And Bella's Splash Pool Bar is the one that is right next to the gym in front of the pool. Blossom Cafe and Market is also within the property. You just have to walk to it in front of the lobby area. Aside from drinks and sandwiches, they also sell some merchandise. So looking at this Westin Anaheim Resort, there's 12 p.m. check-in, but we checked in late. I think it was 6 or 7 p.m. No, 8 p.m. we checked in, so can't really say if we got early checked in. Room upgrade, upon arrival, we got upgraded to the larger studio. So that was an upgrade, so it's a yes for room upgrade. Daily breakfast for 2. We had the buffet breakfast at Tangerine Room, and that was very nice, very tasty. Otherwise, it would be, I think, $33 or $35 per person. So it was a good breakfast. But I would probably not pay for that kind of breakfast. It's kind of expensive, I think. Complimentary Wi-Fi, so we got the connection to the fast speed Wi-Fi, so that was good. Guaranteed 4 p.m. late checkout. Unfortunately, I can't talk about the late checkout because the next night here, I booked directly with Marriott. So usually guaranteed 4 p.m. checkout is always a guarantee. I think their contract with FHR. Experience credit, $100 food and beverage credit. We can use this during our stay. We can also use it for in-room dining, but it's excluding Puestos and Fleming Steakhouse, as well as any merchandise. So we use it for Tangerine room dinner. The dinner option looks good, so we spent our dinner for food credit there. Yeah, it was good. We were able to use it. So overall, I'd say it's a win for the FHR in this stay at Westin Anaheim Resort. Even though Westin Anaheim Resort is a 4-star hotel, don't let that fool you. It feels more like a 5-star hotel and provides 5-star level amenities. It is a great hotel, and if we ever come back to Anaheim and the location makes sense, then we don't mind staying here again. We really enjoy our stay here, especially their club lounge. It's a pretty good hotel lounge and it provides great food as well. And the patio where you can sit outside and look at the Disneyland fireworks is amazing. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time. Bye bye.